Another day, another story. Title: How to Build Bigger Biceps and Triceps. 30-Day Workout Plan. Introduction. Building larger biceps and triceps is crucial for increasing the overall size of your arms. While following the right arm building routine is important, there are additional factors that can greatly impact the speed at which you achieve your goals. In this video, I will share 5 major tweaks that you can apply over the next 30 days to add mass to your arms more effectively. By implementing these strategies and following the step-by-step sample workout provided, you can expect noticeable results. Let's get started. Step 1. Increase weight. To begin, start your arm workouts with the heaviest bicep and tricep exercises for the next 30 days. Focus on upping your weight, particularly for the first 3 sets after completing warm-ups. Begin with exercises like barbell bicep curls, easy bar bicep curls, preacher curls for biceps, and dips, skull crushers, or overhead tricep extensions for triceps. These exercises require significant energy and allow you to lift heavier weights. Your goal is to increase the weight you can lift for 6 to 10 reps. Even a small increase, like adding 2.5 pounds on each side of the bar, can make a difference. Step 2. Increase training frequency. Next, transform your arm workout into a push-pull routine. This means supersetting tricep and bicep exercises with no break in between. Aim to train your arms at least twice a week to maximize growth. A recommended split is to combine chest and back on one day, legs on the next, and arms on the third. Repeat this 3-day cycle and take a day off as needed. Step 3. Push yourself to failure. During the last set of each exercise, push yourself to failure for both biceps and triceps. Failure means performing reps until you can no longer lift the weight. If you can easily complete 10 or more reps, it indicates that the weight is too light. By consistently pushing yourself to failure, you ensure progressive overload, which stimulates muscle growth. Ensure proper form and consider having a spotter for exercises like skull crushers. Step 4. Cycle the reps. Vary your representative ranges on the last exercise. After completing the heavy sets of an exercise, incorporate a drop set with higher reps. For example, aim for 10 reps or less on your heavy set of cable tricep extensions and immediately drop the weight. Proceed to perform 20 reps. Repeat this pattern for 3 sets, focusing on maintaining intensity. Higher reps activate slow twitch muscle fibers, promoting further muscle growth. Additional tips. Maintain a calorie surplus of 200 to 300 extra calories per day to support muscle growth. Consume adequate protein, around 0.7 to 0.8 grams per pound of body weight, daily. Use proper form during exercises, avoiding excessive momentum or improper technique. Consistency is key. While this 30-day workout plan can yield results, continuous effort is necessary for long-term progress. Conclusion. By implementing these 5 major tweaks and following the provided workout plan, you can expect to see noticeable gains in your biceps and triceps within 30 days. Remember to maintain a calorie surplus, consume enough protein, use proper form, and stay consistent. If you want additional assistance, you can access my free Lean Muscle Multiplier program on my website. Add 15 pounds over 12 weeks, and you'll receive a customized diet plan, a 12-week workout plan, a recipe book, and personal coaching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Let's start building those impressive arms together.